What's up, happy people? We're back. Welcome back to LWS Live With Us, where Crystal and I are traveling full-time in our vintage RV. Our goal is to find an off-grid piece of property where we can continue to live our off-grid boondocking lifestyle. Today's video, we're gonna show you how to make a propane tank go from this to this. This thing is old and ugly and beat up and rusty. So we're gonna make this look like brand new again. The only materials you need, some Rust-Oleum. I went with the semi-gloss, oil-based white. Don't want it too glossy, just a little bit. Got myself a cheap little $4 brush. And you should be able to get all this stuff for around $20. So, $20 makeover.
So one of the benefits to having your propane tank revamped, looking like new again, when you go to fill it up at one of the propane stations, they're not going to look at you like you're going to blow up the whole place.
Yep. Have a new one. Once you have it new and it's gone over with a nice coat of this, we've got some protective enamel, so this should revamp the tank to look like brand new again.
Choo. Our little boy is being so good watching the house for us, huh, buddy? You say hi to all your fans. Say hi, fans. We love you. Kiki, being her Kiki self. She loves the camera. Hello, one. Oh yeah, you're so good. Oh, you're so good. So we're gonna start off by prepping this guy out. We're gonna be scrubbing it all off and then taping off all of the things that you don't want painted on here, so you don't end up with just all white messiness.
All right, so now we've got everything taped off that we don't want to be painted, and now we can start the painting process. I love this product because it's like spray paint that you can apply with a brush or roller. It goes on way thicker, way better. You get the same job of like 3 cans of spray paint in one little quart, which costs 1/3 of the price. I'll start by getting a nice amount on your brush. Get that off, and then we'll just start applying. Just want to get everything that you can, and that way it'll make it look like it's brand new again. Pick up all your drips. Up under here.
Can't be afraid to get a little dirty.
Nope. Alright, we should do that one last.
Looking like a brand new propane tank on that end.
Mm-hmm. You want to make sure you apply a nice generous amount to your brush and smooth it out. This oil-based paint actually has self-levelers inside of it, so it will smooth out as it starts to dry. Might not be perfectly smooth because we didn't spray it, but it'll look really good and a lot better than it did before. Now I just got to work our way to the last section and we will be done. We haven't even been working on this for 30 minutes yet. And it's almost done. Make sure you get as high as you can without hitting anything else. Hit my gas line a little bit. It'll be okay. Got this side complete. Just about 5 minutes. Nice gloss. You can almost see your reflection off of it. This is perfect.
The things we do for the perfect shot.
Oh yeah.
Let me crawl out. So TJ has this saying, a little prime and paint, make it what it ain't.
Oh yeah.
It's the perfect example of that. Good job, babe.
Thanks. I noticed some spots that were starting to show through the white that we put on. So I just went back after it dried a little bit and then touch it back up with your brush again. Make sure you use a nice generous amount, and that'll help not to pull off the previous coat that you just put on. So all we have left to do now is take off this tape and we'll show you all how it looks. Yo! Here's the final turnout. So excited.
Boom.
So nice. I almost got another tank to replace it too, and now we don't even have to. All the little rust spots, any little pinholes, which I checked with soapy water, there was no actual leaks, but anything that could have been a leak in the future is gone. Filled it. Rust is gone. Rust is eaten. Thanks, Rust-Oleum. Get up inside of here. Look at that. It's like one of the newest parts on our whole RV, except for the shocks. Those look good. Like a brand new tank. I'm so happy. Just wanted to thank you all so much for checking out this video. Please go watch some of the other videos on our channel as well. We'll be doing fishing, hiking, camping adventures, all sorts of stuff. We'll film anything and anything that we think you guys might think is interesting. If you click over here, you can watch more videos. If you click over here? Yeah, over here, subscribe, and then over here for more videos. Okay. Thanks, you guys. Till next time. You.